For more on the Child Victims Act, 2 on Your Side's Emily Lampa took a closer look at what this proposed legislation is really all about.
Thank you so much, Claudine. Well, in a nutshell, this legislation, the Child Victims Act, would extend the statute of limitation for victims. They would have until age 50 to bring a civil case, and they would have until age 28 to bring a criminal case.
How important is that additional time?
From my experience, a lot of people who suffer abuse as children will often repress those memories, and only having until age 23 to come to terms with what you experienced as a child is not enough time.
The bill was first introduced 12 years ago and has seen a number of changes. The most controversial part right now is the 1-year look-back window. It would allow anyone who has experienced abuse to bring a lawsuit during those 12 months.
How important is the look-back? You know, that window, that 1-year window.
The look back is critical to people who no longer have the right to pursue legal action as the result of the abuse that they suffered as children. And passing that look back window will set an example to these victims, these survivors, that New York State has not forgotten about you.
But it's not just the Catholic Church that has issue with this look-back window. The Boy Scouts of America has also expressed similar concern, because the speculation is that within this 1-year window, there may be a surge of cases, leaving these organizations to defend themselves in those cases where the alleged abusers may have died or retired many years ago.
The act is not designed to target any one entity, such as the church or the Boy Scouts. Legally, it just gives people who have survived child sexual abuse the right to bring their case before a court of law.
Governor Cuomo put his weight behind the Child Victims Act provisions, including that look-back window, including them in his state budget plan. But that could change in the next few days.
The budget plan must be submitted by the end of this month. That's 10 days on March 31st. Emily Lampa, Channel 2 News.